Here's how to delete Steam game saves. If you want to reset a game's progress, you'll need to delete its save files. First, open Steam, click Steam in the top left corner, and select Preferences. Open the Cloud tab and disable Steam Cloud synchronization for supported games. This prevents your deleted saves from being restored automatically. Next, go to your library, right-click the game you want to reset, and select Properties. Open the Installed Files or Local Files section and click Browse to open the game's installation folder. Locate the game's save files. Depending on the game, they may be stored in a saves folder or in files with names such as save.ini or similar. Once you've found them, delete the contents of the save folder or remove the save files if they're stored individually. Avoid deleting other game files unless you're sure they're only save data. After that, launch the game, and it should start with a fresh save. If you want to keep a backup of your progress, copy the save files to another location before deleting them. That's all for this video. Thanks.